need to clean cages, guys. So I need your help. Behave good, okay? I don't want nobody fighting, please. They don't fight. My birds are so cute. Pretty bird. Luna, you can't go out, okay? I'm sorry. Cookie, you wanna come out? Come on, Cookie. Charlotte, leave her alone. Charlotte. No fighting, guys. Charlotte. See, Lucy don't want him to go to her cage. That's how they protect each other. Charlotte, get out of there, please. I'm trying to help this. I'm trying to clean these cages. And Charlotte is not listening. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move this. Oh, this is a mess. Cookie's not leaving the cage. Cookie's not leaving the cage. What I'm gonna do, I need to put like a towel so he doesn't step, so the other guys don't bite his feet because it hurts, you know? I know, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. No, you can't. I cannot believe what you're doing. Look what he's doing. Can you believe that? Hey, what are you doing there? Charlotte? What's going on with you? Come to Luna. Luna's calling you. He loves being noisy with other birds. He likes to stalk other birds. Charlotte. Look, Toby and Sunny are doing great. Huh, Toby? You're doing good job, baby. They're doing great job. So, oh, this is a good picture. I'm sorry. Yes, I have to clean all these cages today. Let's see, where is Charlotte? I'm looking for him. Charlotte, where are you? Oh, he's over there. Luna's tail is out. Nobody wants to be outside their houses but you. It's only you. You're the noisy one. Charlotte. Look at that. Both legs open. Oh, this guy. Oh, why he likes to make his life miserable. He's so silly. I see you there. I see you there. You're mad because you can't go inside the cage? Well, you're on the wrong side. The door is on the other side. Haha. Come on. Don't get mad. Come to the other side. Come to the other side. Come to the other side. Are you gonna pretend that you're sleeping? That's Sunny's cage. That's not your cage. Cookie, you wanna come out? You wanna come out, Cookie? Come on, guy. Come on, Cookie. Come on, Cookie. Sunny, you want to fly? Let's see if they want to fly. Excuse me, Charlotte. It's okay, Toby. It's okay, Toby, okay? Sorry, Charlotte. I'm sorry, guy. Sorry, little guy. Excuse me, Charlotte. Come on. Come on, Sonny. You want to come out? Nobody wants to come out but Charlotte. Oh, yeah. Sonny wants to come out. Not you, Toby. I'm sorry, baby. You already went outside. Ah, my finger. Who's there? Is that Sunny? Hi, Sunny. Who's there? Is that your friend Sunny? Hi, Sunny. Hi, pretty bird. Cute bird. You're so cute. Look, he wants to protect Toby. No fighting, okay? Ah, Charlotte is the first one to fight. I don't see. Charlotte? If a female is out, they fight. But hopefully they don't fight right now. They just want to stretch. I love when they fly, when they're free. Cookie don't want to be outside. That's why he's inside the cage. Pretty bird. Who is the pretty bird? Hi, Sunny. 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 Hi, Sunny. Hi. Now I think Cookie wants to come out. Oh, it's gonna be a bad idea. It's gonna be a bad idea. Should I let him out? Well, the door is open. If he wants to go out, he can do it. I just don't want no birds to go inside. Oh. No, Sunny, don't go inside the cage. Lucy's gonna bite you. It's okay, Cookie. Cookie's overprotecting Lucy. Cookie. Okay. Cookie's okay. Be nice, Cookie. It's okay, Cookie. He's not doing nothing. Just want him to fly a little bit. It's okay. No, Cookie. Pretty birds. Who are the pretty birds? No fighting, Sunny. That's not nice. Toby's not doing nothing. Uh-oh. Pretty bird. Can you sing? Can you say pretty bird? Pretty bird. Oh, you okay? He fall off. You okay? Pretty bird. It's okay, Sonny. He's not doing nothing to Toby. You don't have to be afraid. Pretty bird. Cute babies. Hi, pretty bird. Do you want some treats? It's okay, Cookie. She's okay. It's okay, Cookie. He's just looking at you. They're not doing nothing to Lucy. They're your friends. Pretty bird, pretty bird. Leave that thing alone, guys. That's my kitchen thing. Leave my kitchen towel alone. Uh-oh. No, guys. Sunny, leave him alone. He's doing nothing to Toby, okay? He's doing nothing to your girlfriend. Oh my goodness, Toby, you're so silly. I cannot put Toby outside. I'm sorry. She wants to be outside, but I can't. I already did. Pretty bird? Who's the pretty bird ever? Where's the pretty bird? All of you guys are pretty bird? Pretty birds, pretty birds. La 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 la. They like to sing. I think Cookie wants to be outside. I'm gonna try to put him outside. I was supposed to clean cages, but I love to watch my birds when they're flying around the house. Come on, Cookie. Come on. Come on, sweetheart. Good job. Now you okay, Lucy? All the females are inside cages. Males are outside cages because males, they need to stretch more than females. They have more energy to kill than females. So I try to put the males outside because they stress a lot if they don't fly. Females, they do, but they like to be indoors. These are the 3 males. Cookie, green, Charlotte, white, Sunny, yellow. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. I'm gonna try to feed them. Cookie, treat. Oh, you okay? Treat. Sunny, treat. No fighting, guys. Pretty bird. Who's the pretty bird? It's okay. It's just a crow. I don't like crows. I get panic attacks sometimes. My females are kind of sleepy right now, so it's a great feeling that I have the males outside stretching so they can feel more relaxed later on. Good job, babies. Good job, guys. Good job, guys. Pretty birds. Good job, guys. Good job, Cookie. No fighting is great. No, Charlotte. Be nice. See how quiet? Because males, they stress more than females. They need to get up from the cage and fly a little bit more than females. Where are you, Charlotte? Charlotte. Good job, guys. Pretty birds. Who's the pretty bird? Gorgeous birds. Let's see Charlie how he grabs the treat with his big feet. Toby, I'll go right. Toby's trying to bite their feet. Toby. Charlotte is trying to kick Cookie from his house because Luna's over there. So he's like, stay away from my woman. It's okay, Charlotte, it's okay. Luna is fine. Luna is okay. You don't have to be like that aggressive. See? I think treat is done. Cookie? Oh, Toby's like looking at the treat. Look. You want treat, baby? But I can't take you out, okay? So I'm gonna feed you like this. You have treat inside. You have a treat inside. You have a treat inside and you pretend that you don't have no treat. I can't believe my birds are something else. My goodness. Come here right now. Come here. Look at this, guys. they fly. Look, you wanna see where they are? See? Cookie was on top of my head. There's something else, my birds. I like them when they're free. And yes, I clean my kitchen because they're all over. Right now they're like, hey, excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? What happened there? What are you three guys doing there? I don't think so. Come on, guys. Come to your houses. Ah, Cookie, Charlotte, Sunny. They're gonna fly, look. Go to your houses. I need to clean that area now. See, I wasn't expecting cleaning that one. All right, guys, please subscribe. Don't forget to give me a like. Give a like to this, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you.